US President Donald Trump on Monday announced a 25% tariff on any country trading with Iran, sharply escalating pressure on Tehran amid its crackdown on domestic protests that have killed at least 648 people so far. In a post on Truth Social, US President Donald Trump said any nation doing business with Iran would face a blanket tariff on trade with the United States, calling the order final and conclusive. The move has implications for countries like India, which maintains long-standing trade and strategic ties with Iran, including cooperation on the Chabahar Port project. India exports items like rice, tea, sugar, medicine, fibers, electrical equipment and artificial jewelry to Iran. And in return, India imports dry fruits, chemicals and glassware from Iran. This trade relationship plays an important role for both the countries. However, the biggest impact of 25% American tariff is likely to fall on China, given its extensive trade with both Iran and the US, potentially reviving fears of a renewed trade war. If Trump's new rule is applied strictly, goods coming from China could face a minimum total tariff of as high as 45%, much higher than the current 20%. That brings back memories of last year's US-China trade war, which shook global markets. The White House is yet to clarify how the tariff will be enforced or whether it applies only to goods or also to services. It is also unclear yet how much trade with Iran would be enough to trigger the penalty or how the US would track and enforce this rule.